In this video, I show you how to create a personal database in Arcmap. First, we load the Arcmap. Now we click on our catalog. Then click on folder connection, shapefile, then new, and then click on file geodatabase. Now we rename it. Let's say my geodatabase, for example. Enter. Now we export, for example, let's say data any there basin. Right click on, then export to geodatabase multiple. Now a geodatabase to output geodatabase name. Then we click on OK. Then loading start, and it is created. Now we can see it. Now we drag it on here. Now